Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn 1, 2, 3 countings. Let's start. Light green color. 1. O-N-E 1. Brown color. 2. T-W-O 2. Blue color. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. Pink color. 4. F-O-U-R 4. Green color, light green color. 5. F-I-V-E 5. Pink color. 6. S-I-X 6. Blue color. 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Green color. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Brown color. 9. N-I-E N-I-N-E 9. Blue color. 10. T-E-N 10. Pink color. 11. E-L-E-V-E-N 11. Green color. 12. T-W-E-L-V-E 12. Blue color. 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13. Pink color. 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 14. Green color. 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15. So kids, what we learn today? We learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.